make this beat.
Big old.
Good morning, guys. Happy Friday. So today's Lippie is going to be by CoverGirl, and it is $5.50 deeper. Yes, $5.50 deeper. It was kind of hard to see. Anyway, this one was on clearance for $3, so let's give it a shot. So we go. It's really pretty. It has like a glittery fit to it. Wow. I really like that, y'all. That's CoverGirl Metallic Mystique. And it's number 550 deeper. Very cool. I like that. So guys, I want to remind you all that if you're a subscriber and I haven't pulled your name yet, please leave me a message. Either inbox me on YouTube, Facebook, whatever, and just let me know that you are subscribed, because some subscriptions are hidden, so I'm not being able to see everybody, and I don't want to not include you in the drawing. So do that for me. Like, share, subscribe. Thanks for your support.